Good evening, friends. How are you all? I hope you all are keeping well and good. Okay, today I'm making a chicken chili, dry and fried rice, egg fried rice. Okay, this is the vegetables I've cut for the basically the chicken chili. Fried rice, I'll tell you exactly everything. Okay, this is cabbage, capsicum, some carrot, okay, some onions. Okay, this is the size you'll cut it like this, so it looks more nice and presentable. This is the chicken breast. Okay, this is the way you're supposed to cut it. It strips this way, in long strips, so it looks nice. Basically, this is the way how chicken chili is made. Basically, this way. It's all washed and ready to cook. Okay, friends. Now for marination. Okay. Half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon garlic paste, half teaspoon ginger paste, half teaspoon salt, and 3 ml water, cold water. And we'll mix it nicely. Now we'll set this chicken. After I mixed it nicely, I'll set it aside in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Okay. Okay, so take another bowl, add 1 egg, salt, quarter teaspoon, baking powder 1 teaspoon, cold water half cup, and mix all this mixture nicely. Beat the egg nicely, let all this all mix up nicely. Now we'll add corn flour 4 tablespoons. Then this is a teaspoon, will go to 8 teaspoons. 1, 2. Now I'll add in maida, 4 tablespoons. And we'll mix this nicely. Okay, friends. Now mix this nicely. Now I'll add in the marinated chicken. Friends, I mixed the chicken nicely, the marinated chicken along with all the corn flour, the baking powder, maida. Okay, and now I'm adding oil, 2 tablespoons. And mix it nicely. Okay, friends. Now I'll be adding this marinated chicken in the oil and deep fry it. This is the way. Still not hot the oil. Put the flame a little bit high. Okay, friends, the oil is hot. Now I'll be adding in the marinated chicken in this hot oil. gonna deep fry it. Till it turns a nice golden brown. See friends, it's goldenish brown. Okay, and now I'll take it out in a bowl with tissue, with kitchen tissue. Friends, I've added the second lot of chicken in the oil, which you can see. Okay, let it cook nicely till it turns golden brown, like how I put in this. Friends, this is the last lot which I've put inside the fry pan. Okay, and it takes time basically for Chinese stuff when you're making. It takes a lot of time. Basically, the time basically gets consumed in the cutting and then frying little stuff also. And in the meantime, what I'll boil the rice. Okay, friends. Now I've put the chatty on. Okay, I've added some water inside of this. Okay, I'll let it come to a boil, and then I'll add this rice, which I'll wash first and soak it for a while, and once the water is boiled, then I'll add in this rice. But I won't cook it till it's fully soft. Okay, I'll leave it little bit raw, hard. Okay friends, chicken is all done. I'll take it out in this bowl. Okay, it's turned golden brown. I'll take it out in the bowl and I'll keep it on the side. Friends, in the same oil that I fried the chicken, I'm adding the garlic and ginger pieces. And I'll shoot this for 30 seconds. Okay, now I'm adding in the white part of the spring onions. I've added the white part of the spring onions. Now I'll cook this for a little while, but don't make it brown. Okay friends, I've mixed it for 30 seconds. I'm adding these green chilies. Mix it well for 2 seconds. Okay friends, I'm adding in soya sauce, 1 cup. I'm adding in red chili sauce, 1 cup. Tomato sauce also about 1 cup. I'm adding black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon. white vinegar 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon. Adding sugar 1/4 teaspoon. Mix it well. For at least 2 minutes. Here it comes to a boil. Okay friends, I'm adding in the remaining stuff, the capsicum, the carrot, some onions. And I'll stir fry for 2 minutes. Okay friends, now add corn flour 2 tablespoons. Mix it well. Add salt now 1 teaspoon. Mix well, and once it comes to a boil, we'll add in the chicken. Okay friends, that's come to a boil. Now I'll add in the chicken and I'll fry for at least 30 seconds. Here I'm adding the chicken. Friends, I've mixed in the chicken and all, and I've mixed it nicely. Now just let it boil once, and then I'll switch the stove off, and then I'll do the rice. The water is already boiling, so I'll add in the rice. Okay, now I've added the rice in the chatti, so I'll add in 3 spoons salt. Now I added 3 spoons salt. I'll just let the rice get done slightly. I'll take it out, and in another karai I'll mix some vegetables, which I'll show you. Okay friends, the rice is done. I've not made it too soft. Okay, I added some little cut onions, spring onions, the white part, into the oil. Okay, I'll fry it slightly, then I'll add ginger garlic paste. Okay friends, I'm adding garlic paste, 1.5 tablespoon. Now I'm adding in the cut vegetables to the rice. Okay, I'll let it cook for a little while, and then I'll add in the salt, black pepper, soy sauce. Okay friends, now I'm adding in 1 teaspoon salt and a half, because see, rice already has 3 spoons salt. A little pepper. Okay friends, I'm adding soy sauce 2 tablespoons. Oyster sauce half teaspoon. I mean 3 drops basically, not half even teaspoon, just 3 drops. Mix for another 2-3 minutes. Okay friends, now I'll be adding in the rice. Okay friends, I've mixed it. I'll sprinkle little spring onions on top of it. Okay friends, it's all ready. I'll sprinkle some spring onions, the green part, and I mixed it nicely. Okay, now let's see. I'll take it out on the plate. Okay friends, it's all set and ready to eat. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Love you all. Bye bye.